Good morning, all of you. Today, my topic is iron selective electrodes. What are iron selective electrodes? Actually, these are the membrane electrodes which are acting as a sensor and that are converting the activity of specific ion which dissolved in solution into an electrical potential or signal. It means these are the electrodes, they are acting as a sensor and that are converting the activity of ion into signal or electrical potential. Or another definition is given here. The electrode that determine the activity of ion in aqueous solution by measuring the electrical potential can be called as iron selective electrode. Iron selective electrode are also known as specific ion electrodes SIE. We should know iron selective electrode can measure the concentration of certain ion in solution and not affected by other ions. We know number of ions present in solution. Still this electrode is not getting affected by other ions and it give accurate concentration of specific ion. How is it possible? The reason is the use of selective membranes which only allows only specific ions to sense and other ions will not affect the measurement of specific ion. Iron selective electrodes showing figure here. The basic component of iron selective electrode consists of the potentiometer, electrode, internal electrode and sample solution. It's a complete circuit. Ion exchange across the membrane leads to a potential difference across it. The potential difference deflects the composition of the containing solution on either side of the membrane. The indicator electrode responds with an electrolyte. Okay. We can discuss about the main advantages of iron selective electrodes. These iron selective electrodes are very much beneficial and the main advantages are they are relatively cheap or they are low cost electrodes and they are easy to operate also. The operation is easy to handle. Then second one is resistance to solvent or chemical attack and it has wide range of concentration of measurement. Then next one is it has biological or medical application. It can be used for colored or turbid solution. It can monitor the change of activity of ion with time. And then last one is it can determine both positively and negatively charged ions. We can discuss about various type of iron selective electrode, mainly that can be classified on the basis of the membrane material. Based on membrane material, it can be classified into 5 types. First one is glass membrane electrode. Second one is crystalline or solid membrane electrode. Third one is gas sensing electrode. Next one is liquid membrane electrode. Last one is enzyme based or biochemical electrodes. First we discuss about glass membrane electrodes. What is glass membrane electrode? A symbol diagram is given here. It is similar to glass electrodes. We know that about glass electrode, Adira discussed about glass electrode. Which act as a indicator electrodes, especially used for the pH measurement. Glass membrane electrode is not glass electrode but similar to glass electrodes. In glass membrane electrode using a glass membrane and we can see there is a internal reference electrode and internal filling solution. These electrodes are formed by doping molten SiO2 with various chemicals. The most common such electrodes are H plus sensitive electrodes or pH electrodes. The H plus ions from solution gets exchanged with Li plus ion in the glass. We know that glass contain Li plus ion. Here we can see a reversible reaction. The equation is given here. The Li plus ions attached with the glass membrane. It is exchanged by H plus ion and Li plus ions are released. And here a hydrated gel layer is formed, causes swelling of the membrane. It is an important point here. The ion exchange process takes place in the gel layer of the glass membrane, generate a phase boundary potential. Next we discuss about crystalline or solid state membrane electrodes. Here in this picture, reference electrode with AgCl, there is a solid state ionic conducting membrane. This is situated inside a plastic body. Solid state ionic conducting membrane are used in this electrodes. These membrane are made from ionic compounds or mixture of ionic compounds. There are, they have good selectivity because only ions which can introduce themselves into the crystal structure can interfere with the electrode response. This is a major difference between this type of electrode and the glass membrane electrodes. The lack of internal solution reduces the potential junction. Then, next ion selective electrode is gas sensing electrode. We can see the diagram. Here it is the silver chloride reference electrode and a glass pH electrode. Here internal solution is nothing but NaCl, an appropriate electrolyte, and at the bottom we can see a microporous membrane which has small holes present, permeable to dissolved gases. So dissolved gases which are present in analyzed solution, they can pass through membrane and they can sense using this electrode. So it is called gas sensing electrode. These electrodes are useful to analyze gases such as NH3, NO2, SO2, CO2 and many more. A nitrate ion responsive electrode is for NO2 while a sulfide ion selective electrode is for H2S. Here in this case the microporous membrane is hydrophobic. You know hydrophobic? Hydrophobic means water repellent, made from a polypropylene or any other fluorocarbon which allows only dissolved gases to pass through. The electron AgCl and glass pH electrodes are dipped in inner solution. Area of membrane being small and the volume of solution also less, it reaches the equilibrium with the test solution rapidly. Fourth ion selective electrode is liquid membrane electrode. Here we can see AgCl as reference electrode. Some solution will taken inside this electrode and a ion exchange resin present here and a particular membrane present at the bottom, which is porous partition of liquid membrane and liquid ion exchange part presents here. Actually, the electrode, especially the glass electrodes, were used for determination of like H plus Na plus concentration. We know that H plus Na plus are monovalent cation, but initially researchers tried to use glass membrane electrodes to detect divalent cation concentrations such as calcium 2 plus. But this was unfeasible, so liquid membrane were developed. This electrode works by an ion exchange process. Liquid ion exchange membrane have functional group to form coordination complexes. The inner solution containing non-concentration of the ion is placed in a glass tube which is fitted with AgCl electrode selective to it. And the other aqueous solution is separated from the inner solution by using ion exchange membrane. The membrane seals the bottom of the electrode vessel. The outer compartment contains the organic liquid ion exchanger. Without the exchanger, the ion of interest is unable to penetrate the membrane. Calcium ion selective electrodes are commonly used to measure calcium ion activity in biological system. It is the liquid membrane ion selective electrode. Last ion selective electrode is enzyme based biochemical ion selective electrode. Here in this picture we can see two silver chloride reference electrode present. One is situated inside the internal solution and another one is at the sample. Here internal solution is 0.1 molar HCl solution. At the bottom we can see a glass type membrane which is pH sensitive glass membrane and urease enzymes immobilized in polymer membrane. Is an important one. An enzyme electrode operating based on the principle that an enzyme react with a specific substance. It is an important principle here. Enzyme react with a specific substance and the product of this reaction is detected by a true ion selective electrode. Enzyme is mobilized at the surface of the electron. We can see at the surface red in color, here enzyme is mobilized. An enzyme electrode definitely are not true ion selective electrode. It is not true ion selective electrode but usually are considered within the ion specific electrode topic. All the reaction occur inside a special membrane which cover the true ion selective electrode, which is why enzyme electrodes sometimes are considered as ion selective. One of the example is glucose selective electrodes. These are the main ion selective electrodes. All are discussed here. I hope you can understand this video and all topics. Okay, thank you.